guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to test your battery health on your Samsung Galaxy phone. In your any Samsung phone you can try the easy and simple method. So for this guys, you don't need to use any third-party application, just simply follow this easy and simple method. Open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out battery and device care. Just tap and open it, and here if you're not logging into your Samsung account, it will ask you to log in your account. Just simply log in it. Okay, add your Samsung account. After doing this guys, here you can get this type of interface. Scroll down here at the end, you can get the option diagnostics. Just tap and open it like this. Okay, and here open phone diagnostic settings like this, and here scroll down and find out battery status. Just tap on battery status and just tap on test button. Okay, it will start testing your battery status. So the after testing, here it will show your status, your battery health. So my battery health is normal, capacity is 400 mAh. So if you want to test it again, just tap on test again, it will start testing again. So from here you can easily able to test your Samsung phone battery health. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.